is here. This candle is working as a reversal sign here, not a continuation sign. If the candle is a continuation sign, it is going to down. Okay, good. Okay, I will explain here. We are seeing weakness in the seller, right? A weakness in the seller. Okay, and the candle is it is going to down. Okay, good. Okay, I will explain here. We are seeing weakness in the seller, right? A weakness in the seller. Okay, and the candle is here. This candle is working as a reversal sign here, not a continuation sign. If the candle is a continuation sign, then we can know still some sellers are interested here. But the candle worked as a reversal sign. It means no sellers are interested at this area. Instead of sellers, we are seeing buyers. And engulfing pattern and new high and round number. Okay, we have so many possibilities here to go up. We have only two possibilities or three possibilities to place lower option is continuation sign, rejection, downtrend. We have only two or three possibilities to place lower option. We can't take this week as a rejection because we are seeing new high. So we can take this as a buying pressure, not a selling pressure. You can see here from this level to this level. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. There is no lower low. Instead of lower low, we are seeing lower high. Okay, something is wrong here. The market is not following this pattern. So we are seeing new high means buyers are interested, buyers are active in the market. So we have more possibilities here to place higher option. We have only few possibilities like 2 or 3 to place lower option. So it's better to place here a higher option instead of lower option. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, good. Not a perfect, but if you observe these two candles, weak sellers, strong buyers, right? New high, buying pressure. So can you guess what will be the next candle here? Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. 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 Good. Okay. And anyone else? Okay. It will go more up. Okay. Buyers are becoming more stronger, right? Okay. Good. Okay. Is there anyone? Sellers here. Okay. Good. Directly buyers enter. Okay. Good. Very good point. And round number, not a round of Gyanayadu. This is a round number. Okay, people will purchase any product at a round number. Not if you want to buy a mobile, you will purchase at $1,000 or $500 or $550 something. But you can't purchase the product at $534.46 like this. Okay, people will purchase at a round numbers. So the market, sometimes the market will respect the round numbers too. The market is nothing but you and me. The traders are nothing but you and me. Okay. This is a round number. Round number is nothing but the round number will work as a support and resistance level. Here also you can see. Yes. Yes, this is a round number. Here also there is a round number. Okay.
We can't see it. So
This one. Okay. Okay.
okay.
Wait, I will show you here. Okay, this one. Got it. And this one. Okay, round number.
So whenever those lines cross, it is always round number, right?
This one.
Okay.
Okay, there is a round number here and here. Okay, here also it worked as a support. Here also it worked as a support. Okay. Yes. Granite, what will be the next candle? Bullish one. Sandeep Birla, Shaker, Jico. Yes. Green. Okay, good. You have to speak here.
Green candle, sir, bullish candle.
Bullish candle. Why?
Sir, as compared to last candle, it is weak. The next candle is more stronger. Buyers are becoming more stronger, and the level is up near to that row level or up. Sir. So
Okay.
it will at least reach to that row level up. Then
This level. This level.
up.
This level. This level. This level. Okay. 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 Very good. Okay. Let's see the next candle here. Okay. Again, a bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle here? And tell me the reason.
Sir, I will go with red.
Why?
In my practicing, I see this is a ఇది కూడా sellers గా ఛాన్స్ ఆక్టివ్
Okay.
sellers
This will also work as a selection. Okay. While you are practicing, right? Okay. A weakness in the seller. Okay, and the candle is here. This candle is working as a reversal sign here.
Not a continuation sign. Engulf. Okay. Price. No buyers are interested. Got it? Bharat, you are right. You are right. No problem. But sometimes the market will continue to. This is 50-50 chances. Okay, at least one candle it will continue. Then it may reverse from this level, because if the candle closed at this area, sellers will enter because no buyers are interested at this price. No buyers are interested. There is no buyer here, so sellers will enter. We are seeing sellers entry. There is no lower rejection, means no buyers are interested in this minute. There is no upper rejection, means no buyers are interested. So there is no buyer here. Okay, let's see the next candle. Okay, bearish candle. Okay, a bearish candle. We are seeing sellers are interested at this area, buyers at this area. Okay. Okay.
It will at least reach to that row level.
Okay.
Up.
This level. This level. This level. Okay. 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 Very good. Okay. Let's see the next candle here. Okay. Again, a bullish candle. Peak here.
Green candle, sir, bullish candle.
Bullish candle. Why?
Sir, as compared to last candle, it is weak. The next candle is more stronger. Buyers are becoming more stronger, and the level is up near to that row level or up. Sir. So
Okay.
it will at least reach to that row level up. Then
This level. This level.
up.
This level. This level. This level. Okay. 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 Very good. Okay. Let's see the next candle here. Okay. Again, a bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle here? And tell me the reason. Why?
I in my practicing I see this is a ఇది కూడా sellers are cancel actions
Okay.
sellers
I- I- this level also worked as a seller churn. Okay. While you are practicing, right? Okay. Okay.
I think green are
Because okay, sometimes it worked as a resistance level because there is no buyer's entry here and there is no buyer's entry here. Okay, there is no buyer's entry and here also there is no buyer's entry. It means no buyers at this area, right? Again, if market come to this level, again sellers will enter because we are seeing no buyers at this area, no buyers at this area. Okay. Okay, so we are seeing sellers, a rejection, again a seller's entry in this candle. It means sellers are interested at this area. Sellers are showing their interest in the market in this candle too, and the candle is near to this level. Okay, there is no buyer at this area, and already we are seeing a rejection from this level. So there is a chance to reverse and there is a chance to form a weak bullish candle like this, then it may reverse. Okay, sometimes it will reverse directly because already we are seeing sellers, so sellers may enter from this level. Okay, got it, Bharat? You are right. You are right, no problem. But sometimes the market will continue to, this is 50-50 chances. Okay, at least one candle it will continue, then it may reverse from this level because if the candle closed at this area, sellers will enter because no buyers are interested at this price. No buyers are interested. There is no buyer here, so sellers will enter. We are seeing sellers entry. There is no lower rejection means no buyers are interested in this minute. There is no upper rejection means no buyers are interested. So there is no buyer here. Okay, let's see the next candle. Okay, bearish candle. Okay, a bearish candle from this level. Okay, the market tried to go up but it rejected from this level, and we are seeing buyers, strong buyers. That's why the market tried, the buyers entered again but they failed. Can you guess what will be the next candle here?
bullish candle
Why?
because this is a continuation sign.
Hmm. Okay.
Not in a continuation sign on a bullish momentum. So
Okay.
it's going to be a bullish candle.
Okay, very good. Okay.
There is strong buying pressure previously.
Okay.
So it's a single candle. After that, the buyer's momentum will continue.
Okay.
The sellers are on the top of the candle.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the buyers will continue.
Okay, very good. Okay. Yes. Compared to previous.
Green candle.
Okay.
It's also a bullish momentum.
Okay.
In that red candle, we can see the buying pressure.
Okay. Good.
So next time will be a bullish.
Okay. Continuation sign, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And the sellers are here.
Yes.
We are seeing buyer's entry from this level. The closing point is near to buyer's entry point, right? Bullish momentum, and the sellers are here. The closing point is far from the sellers area, right? So it will continue, a continuation sign. At least the market will continue at least to this level. If the market close here, there is a chance to enter sellers again, right? Okay, very good. So this is the main thing. The main reason is a continuation. The second reason is a bullish momentum, strong buyers, weak sellers. And the third reason is the sellers are here. There is a gap. With compared to previous candle, the candle is very weak, and buying pressure, there is a gap. The market may continue. Continuing sign is the main reason. These are the secondary reasons. Okay, we have some possibilities to place higher option. So it's better to go with buyers again, because we are seeing sellers, strong sellers at this area. Okay, can you guess the next candle here? Yes. What will be the next candle? Yes, Michael. Why? Why? Just wait. Yes, why, Michael?
Yeah, because we are having a bullish momentum.
Okay.
After the inverted hammer, we're still having a continuation that is going up. So the
Okay.
next candle is going to be a bullish one. At least the candle is going to get to the inverted hammer where the seller stood for a minute before. We might likely have a reversal.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next.
I see there is a seller's area, sir.
Okay.
So the candle closed to just a bit of the seller's area.
Okay.
So the next candle will reverse.
Okay. Very good. Okay. There is no buyer, right?
Yes.
Okay. 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 Very good. Yes, Pradeep.
Yes, sir. I am only speaking.
Okay. Okay. Next. Can I do?
Bearish candle, sir.
Why? Why bearish candle? Hmm? Yes, David Raj.
There is no buyer, sir.
There is no buyer. Okay, good. Okay.
In green candle, there is rejection also.
Okay, very good. And the downtrend. Okay. Okay. Yes, can I do? Okay. Raja. Shekhar. Sandeep Billa.
Sir, it will be a bearish candle, sir. As I see in the market, a lot of the time, green, red, green. Next candle will be red only, sir. As I see a few times in the market, sir, in live market, and apart from that, it has little bit rejection from upwards, and it is a seller's area.
Okay.
Last candle also rejected from the same position, and at least for 1 minute, it will reject from the same.
Okay, very good. Okay, and next. Next. Bearish candle or bullish candle? Bearish, why? Okay. So actually sellers are here. There is no buyer, but the sellers, this is sellers entry point. The sellers changed their entry point from here to here. Now the sellers are here. The sellers are here, and there is a gap. There is a chance to form a bullish candle again, and engulfing pattern, bullish momentum. Okay, there is a gap. There are some sellers here, but we are seeing sellers here. They changed their entry point from here to here. Now the sellers are here, and the closing point is here. A engulfing candle, a strong candle, right? So at least a chance to form a bullish candle like this. If the candle close here, there is a chance to reverse. Okay, this is seller's area, that's why you are seeing a rejection, but this is a engulfing candle. This is not a weak candle too, right? This is not a weak candle. This is a strong candle. engulfing pattern. The sellers are here, the closing point is here. Okay, so the next candle will go up because there is a engulfing pattern. Strong buyers, weak sellers, strong buyers. Next entry point is here. Okay, previously the sellers are here, now the sellers are here, so the market will continue a strong bullish candle. Can you guess the next candle here?
Bullish,
Why?
because the sellers are in here,
Okay,
so the buyers closed below the. There is a gap between the sellers area and the closing of this last bullish candle. So
Okay.
at least for one candle it will go up.
okay. There is a level, I think,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
There is a level 2
Round number.
round number. The market is respecting this round number
Yes.
so many times, right? Finally it broke the level. Again now the market is at the level, at this previous support level, and there is a rejection, but the candle is very strong candle. Okay,
Yes. At the sellers area.
it will go up or it will go down.
Go up.
Go up. Okay, very good. And next,
Sir, I feel it will be a bearish candle.
why?
Strong candle also reverse the market,
Okay,
and we have round number,
Okay.
number,
okay,
and like the previous what it broke the previous level, sir.
okay,
That level from previous level also it has broke. So at least for 1 minute it will reverse. I feel, sir. I feel.
okay, very good. And next, Bharat, Pradeep, why?
The support will act as a resistance.
Okay, sometimes.
I see the sellers will do this kind.
Okay, 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 very good. Next, Pradeep,
It will be returned.
why?
Same reason, sir. Whole number major trend is downtrend.
Okay, very good. Nyan Naidu, green, why? Yes, breakout. No breakout here. Bearish candle because there is no breakout, right? Okay, 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 very good. David Raja,
Sir, red candle, sir. Bearish one.
why?
Because it is in round number.
Mm-hmm.
Got rejection.
Mm-hmm.
Sellers entry. Major trend is round trend. Red candle.
Okay, very good. Asan Nihad, Michael, Raja,
Yeah, it should be red candle.
why?
Because the closing point of the candle closes at a whole number, and again a very strong resistance level.
Mm-hmm.
And we are seeing a rejection at the top, which might give us about 5 minutes confirmation from the previous week. So the candle is going to go down.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so here, okay, we are seeing a level, a round number. The round number is working as a strong level here. It tried so many times to break this level. It tried, failed, it tried, failed, again it tried, failed, again it tried, rejected. Finally it broke the level very strongly. The candle broke this level very strongly. It worked as a strong level, and the market is now at the level. So sometimes the market will work, the previous support level will work as a, will become resistance level, but here the level is a strong level, so there is a chance to reverse here. There is a rejection too, but the candle is very strong candle, so there is a chance to break the level 2. Okay, here we have 50-50 chances. Okay, sellers are interested here, so sellers may enter above this level, but the candle is a strong candle, so there is a chance to break this level, and there is a strong level, there is a chance to reverse. So here we have 50-50 chances, so it's better to avoid to trade at this type of situation, but if you want to trade on the next candle, it's better to go with sellers, because the round number, because of this round number, the market is respecting this round number, so for the first time it may reverse. It can't break this level directly, it will take some time, at least 1 or 2 minutes to break this level, so it's better to go with sellers from this level if you want to trade. But my suggestion is it's better to avoid to trade at this type of situation. Okay, so next candle is a bearish candle. Hey, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Yes,
bullet candle, sir.
why?
Because in the starting, I don't know whether it will be a bearish candle. Because clear book candle.
Yes,
Because this candle actually reversal and Nasana level.
okay,
So I think it will be a bearish candle.
okay, very good. Okay, next,
Bearish one, sir.
why?
Because it's a round number.
Mm-hmm.
Their opening price and closing price near to that.
Okay,
And buyers are in this level. That new low. It's not new low.
there is no new low. This is not a new low.
Okay.
Okay, if this candle will close like this, you can take this point as a new low. Okay, this is not a new low. Okay, yes,
Sir, I think it will go up.
why?
There is a strong uptrend, sir.
Okay,
Compared to this candle, this is weak. I think we can't stop.
okay,
There's a weak sellers.
weak sellers with compared to buyers. Okay,
There are more chances. I think it will break.
it may break. Okay, weak sellers, right?
Weak sellers. And compared to this candle, there are also more weak sellers.
Yes,
I mean, this is if the market want to reverse, it will reverse now, but it is not reversing.
yes, good, very good. And Bharat, Pradeep,
Sir,
Raja,
the candle closed near the sellers area.
okay,
Whole number is above the area. So
Okay.
sellers will enter strongly.
okay,
It failed to, though it is a red candle, it failed to make a new high.
okay,
So the buyers are weak here.
Okay.
So I think the next candle will be red.
okay. The buyers failed to make a new high, and the sellers also failed to make a new low. There is no buying pressure, there is no selling pressure too, right? So how can
This is an inverted hammer, no?
yes,
In the reversal sign at the sellers area.
okay,
So sellers will enter.
okay, very good. So the sellers are here actually, right? Okay, there is a round number, the market is respecting this round number, that's why it reversed. But the previous candle is very strong candle, it tried but failed. Again sellers entered, but a weak sellers entered with compared to bullish candle, and again the buyers are trying, to break this level. So it may break this level on the next attempt, because it tried, failed, again the buyers are trying in this candle. So there is a weak sellers with compared to buyers and a buying pressure too. In the market we are seeing buying pressure. So this type of weak candles can't stop the buying pressure. So the market may continue to this level. And there is a round number, the market is respecting this round number, it respected here. So there is a huge rejection from seller buyers in this candle. There is no, we can't take this wick as a selling pressure, because if there is any selling pressure you can see a long wick like this, then you can go with like this. Okay, if you see this type of candle here, like, so you can place here a lower option, but we are seeing a rejection. Previous candles are a strong candles, buying pressure in the market. Again we are seeing a rejection in this candle, and the candle is a weak candle. So this is a reversal point. Yes,
We are having a pattern uptrend like this.
yes,
The next candlestick might go up.
okay, very good. Yes,
So sometimes the market might obey this pattern.
sometimes they, yes, but the market is respecting this level, but this is a reversal point. It reversed, finally it broke the level, again it reversed. Okay, so there is a chance to break this level because the candle is a weak candle. This is a reversal point, that's why you are seeing a reversal candle, that's why you are seeing a reversal in the market. It reversed, the market reversed here because this is a reversal point. But with compared to buying pressure, the selling pressure is a weak we are seeing a weak selling pressure with compared to buying pressure. And again buyers entered, sellers tried to form a strong candle, but they failed because of buyers. Because of buyers, the sellers couldn't make a strong bearish candle. Okay, at this area a strong bearish candle, and from this level we are seeing a weak bearish candle. From this level we are seeing a weak bearish candle with compared to buyers. The buyers are strong, sellers are weak, and this is not a, if this is a strong sellers area we can go with buyers, and this is a reversal point. Again market reversed, but the sellers couldn't make a strong candle. This is a weak candle and a strong rejection from buyers. So the market again trying in this week, the buyers are again trying to break this level. So on the next attempt it may break because the buyers are strong. Okay, let's see the next candle. Okay, very strong candle. Okay, can you guess the next candle now?